Supreme Court dismissed the appeals in Sports Authority of India versus Kulbir Singh Rana and held that once an employee is considered as an initial constituent of Sports Authority of India, it would mean that he is no longer to be treated as contractual employee but as a regular employee who comes under direct enrollment or control of Sport Authority of India. Respondents had served Sports Authority of India in the past and has stated above there is a provision under the rules under which they can be considered as initial constituents pursuant to which Tribunal gave such direction. Concession regarding their status as initial constituents had already been made by SAI before the High Court. This petition ought to be dismissed, said Supreme Court, on the mere ground that once the order has been passed on a kind of compromise or concession given by party, that party cannot turn back and challenge the order before higher court unless it is a case of fraud or deception. On principle as well as on law, this is not permissible. The tribunal took note of the provision governing initial constitution in the 1992 rules as well as 2022 rules. In that context, it was held that while notifying 2022 rules, the 1992 rules were not superseded insofar as the definition of initial constitution is concerned, and as such, both rules continue to be in operation. Regarding the status of present respondent as initial constituents, tribunal at the very outset noticed that their recruitment was done as per relevant regulation following due selection process. Tribunal then came to conclusion that appointments of respondents were not illegal but only irregular. Therefore, they are entitled to be considered as part of initial constitution of SAI as laid down in 2022 rules. Ultimately, the tribunal directed SAI to consider the cases of applicants as initial constituents as per 2022 rules. Sports Authority of India was created in the year 1984 and was registered as a society under Societies Registration Act 1860. Necessity for creating a society is reflected in a resolution dated 25 January 1984 of Department of Sports, Government of India, wherein objective of society was stated to be promotion of sports and games in India. SAI is directly under the administrative and financial control of Government of India. Fresh set of rules were approved in 2022, similar to 1992 rules for regulating recruitment to posts of executive cadre called the Sports Authority of India Executive Cadre Grade A Staff Recruitment Rules 2022, which contain a similar provision regarding initial constitution.